Uy, alam mo may sasabihin ako sa'yo pero pangako mo na huwag mong sasabihin ha. Kapag ito ay nakalabas, nako itatanggi ko. At itatanggi kong wala akong alam dyan sa sinasabi mo. Ikaw ang mapapahiya. So kung talagang interesado ka ay eto. Basta't iyan ay huwag mong babanggitin at hindi ko aaminin yan ay sa akin nang galing. Ayan si Kumaring Cecil. Ay ang balita ay kinash daw niya yung Louis Vuitton binili. Pero ano ka? Ayan ay alam kong binili niya doon sa pahulugan. At 6 na buwang pwedeng bayaran. Ay siya, huwag mong sasabihin ha. At yan ay sikreto natin. Hi Besh, do you know what's the latest? But promise me, if I tell you this will be off the record, okay? You won't repeat this or otherwise I'm not gonna say I know anything about it, okay? Alam mo ba yung bag ni Besh Cecil? She said she's been telling the other people that it's paid in cash. Pero ano ka naman, pahulugan naman yun, ano? Again, Besh, please don't repeat what I said. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you like something like this, please comment below. Anyways, this is just for entertainment and fun only. Para naman ma-relax tayo. But in reality, wala naman po akong Kumaring Cecil nakakilala. And this is just for fun, like what I said. Wala kayo dyan. Itatanggi ko yan and this is off the record. This is Coffee Break with Vesa. Please subscribe, guys, and share this video.